If you want to format your document faster and make it look more professional, then learning how to add columns in LibreOffice Writer is a great skill to have. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create columns in just a few clicks, whether you want to apply them to the whole page or only to a selected section of text. This is really useful for newsletters, flyers, reports, school projects, and any document where you want a cleaner, more organized layout. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, either create a new Writer document or open an existing document that you want to format. If you already have text in your file, you can decide whether you want columns applied to the entire document or only to part of it. If you only want columns on a specific section, go ahead and highlight the text first. That step is important because LibreOffice will apply the column layout to whatever content is selected. Now, with your document open, look at the top menu and click Format. This is where you'll find the layout and page formatting options for your document. After you click Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click Columns. This opens the Column Settings window, where you can control how your text will be split across the page. Here, you'll see different column layout options. You can choose 2 columns, 3 columns, or another preset, depending on how you want your document to look. If you need a simple newspaper-style layout, 2 columns is usually a great choice. If you want something more compact or a more advanced design, you can pick more columns. Once you've selected the number of columns you want, take a quick look to make sure the settings match your needs. Then click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice Writer will instantly update the selected text or page area, and your document will now appear in columns. As you can see, this is a very quick way to improve the structure and presentation of your content without needing any complicated tools. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can always go back into Format and Columns and adjust the layout again until it fits your document perfectly. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to add columns in LibreOffice Writer and format your document in a much more professional way. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.